Okay, hopefully you've had a go at this because you've looked at the previous video. So we've got f of x is x squared plus 2. We've got a g of x, we want f g of x. First step, put in the missing brackets. This means f of g of x. Next step, look at it. Is it f of a bracket or is it g of a bracket? It's f of a bracket. So it's f of a bracket. So do I need to know what g does for this bit? No, I don't. So cover that up. What does f do to x? F of x is x squared plus 2. So f of bracket is bracket squared plus 2. Okay, fill in the details. Okay, g of x inside the bracket. So inside this bracket, g of x is 1 over 2x. Whatever I put in that bracket, it's 1 over 2x in this bracket. So this is my fg of x. Fg of x equals... Now you could leave it like this. I'm going to choose to square the fraction. So you square the top and square the bottom. So it's 1 squared is 1 over 2x squared. That is 4x squared on the bottom plus 2. You could even do more mucking around with the algebra there, but that's good enough for me. Okay, next one. G f of x means g brackets f of x. So is it f of a bracket or is it g of a bracket? It's g of a bracket. So do I need to look at f? No, I don't. I need to look at g. What does g do to a bracket? Well, g of x is 1 over 2x. So g of bracket is going to equal 1 over 2 bracket. What goes in the bracket? Now I need what f of x is. I've got f of x in here. That's x squared plus 2 in this bracket. So it must be x squared plus 2 in that bracket. And that is my gf of x. And I'm not going to bother putting that in any other form. That's fine as it is. And the last one is f of x. So that's f brackets f of x. Can't go wrong with this one because they're both f. Equals, is this f of a bracket or g of a bracket? It's most definitely f of a bracket. What does f do to a bracket? F of x is x squared plus 2, so this is bracket squared plus 2. What goes in the bracket? It's f of x again, which is x squared plus 2. Put x squared plus 2 in this bracket, and so I need to put x squared plus 2 in this bracket. You can square this out and simplify if you like, but this is what f of x is. How easy do you want?